So you sit down to watch Disney Plus, hit play, and suddenly Error 83 blocks the entire stream. Usually it means Disney Plus no longer trusts something about your connection, browser session, device, or network setup. Now, at its core, Error 83 is usually a verification problem. Your device tries to connect to Disney Plus, and Disney servers quickly check whether the connection looks normal, trusted, and consistent. A simple way to picture it is like sending a letter through the mail. Your device is the letter, and Disney servers act like a postal clerk checking the return address before accepting it. If the address looks incomplete, suspicious, routed strangely, or connected to a heavily flagged network, then the system rejects the delivery before the stream even starts. And that rejection is what becomes Error 83. And the frustrating part is that legitimate users get caught in those filters all the time, especially when browser data gets corrupted, DNS settings stop matching properly, or the connection is routed through low-quality shared networks. When you press play, Disney Plus is constantly verifying that your device, app session, browser data, and security systems all match correctly. Part of that process runs through Widevine, the digital rights management system Disney Plus uses to verify trusted playback devices. And sometimes that verification process breaks entirely. It can happen after app updates, corrupted cache files, network changes, browser issues, or smart TVs waking up from standby with an incomplete session stored in the memory. And that's why one of the most effective fixes is also one of the simplest, a full power cycle. Just try turning the TV off with the remote, actually unplugging the TV or streaming device from the power for about 60 seconds. Most modern smart TVs stay partially active in standby mode, so unplugging the device forces it to fully clear temporary memory, rebuild the app session, and restart the DRM verification process from scratch. And if you're watching through Chrome, Edge, or another browser, then stale browser data is another major trigger here. Disney Plus can store expired session tokens, corrupted cookies, cache location data, and old login information long after a session breaks. So instead of clearing your entire browser, just go into your browser settings, find Disney Plus under site data or cookies, and remove only Disney-related entries. Then reopen Disney Plus and try again. And before digging through advanced settings, also test the site in an incognito or private window or another browser entirely. If Disney Plus suddenly works there, then the issue is usually cached browser data, not your account. Also, if you made it to the end of the video, comment watch and I'll give you a personal Disney Plus recommendation for what to stream next. But as always, thanks so much for watching. This has been vpnMentor, and we'll see you in the next video.